Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the 1 hour chart here, because of course it's very urgent to show what is going on. So yesterday we said once we break this level at 101,328, it is of course an indication for lower prices, and here we go. We got our lower prices, and I said of course in case this happens, this is gonna be kind of a structure. Toward the downside, it could be an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or it can be, of course, a zigzag for a wave Y. By all means, you have here probably finished, of course, a wave W, and then your wave X is an A, B, and C, D, and an E, finishing, of course, your X here, and then you're having a final structure as a zigzag for W, where you would like to hit, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level, which we did exactly on it, and it's retracing right now. Now, of course, the wave W even can go further a little bit lower. As you can see, we are very close to the 0.5 fib level for a wave 2 here in a 1, 2, of course, and we possibly want to move towards the upside. However, before start to think moving toward the upside 100%, we have to see if we have really dipped here or bottomed for this wave. In case we are in WXY, WX and Y, your wave Y should be zigzag. However, this looks like a little bit more like an impulse because you have a very short wave A. In case this is a very extended wave C, it is much more preferable to be a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, and that you still expect a one more wave, of course, for this impulse. And of course, here we are looking at 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and then A, B, C. Well, your wave 2 is a little bit longer in time. This was your weekend, the latest weekend, of course, and yeah, I think that even the wave 4 might even range a little bit longer in time until we reach, of course, a wave 5 towards the downside. So I think, yeah, it might take, of course, a few days here or a few hours. Ranging, and it might be of course sharp correction because your wave 2 is a sideways, and in of course term of alternation between the wave 2 and the wave 4, it is preferable of course to have a sharp wave 4 and then moving down for a wave 5, of course, to finish this wave Y, which it can be finished anywhere between the 1.38 fib level and the 1-to-1 fib level, where you have of course a 95,000 700 that can be touched. So what we are looking at therefore here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? So this impulse has to be finished sooner or later, but this can finish, of course, a wave Y or even a wave C for an expanding flat. I'm gonna explain as well. So here we go. So this is your wave Y. Now, let's say this is an expanding flat because, you know, you have an A, B, and a C, of course. Now, your wave B is here. Yeah? I mean, it took the high anyway, but I would take even the highest one. So A, B, and a C here. Let's say we have this target for a wave C. I just want to put all the targets in confluence, the possible targets or possible scenarios. So wave C here we go. It is exactly in confluence the 1.618 with the 1-to-1 fib level for a wave Y. But I still see, of course, this is kind of very impulsive wave. Toward the downside, as you can see, the RSI, I kept it just to show you how much red it is. So we're gonna see move toward the upside, definitely, after this huge red in the RSI starting from yesterday. I think we're gonna have a very deep wave 4, probably finished in zigzag with an extended wave C, hitting both case scenarios in the perfect fib level and start to move towards the upside. Now, you know me that, okay, I always call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. I would like to see, now we have 1, 2, and the 3 is on the way. I would like to see 4 and a 5, 3 corrective waves in continuation toward the upside to call for higher prices. Yeah, this is the only possible scenario where I can say, okay, I can confirm much more higher prices. Now, if we take a look, of course, at KGT here on the 15-minute chart, what I was expecting from it did happen. We got a bullish signal, of course, with a very strong divergence. And yeah, probably we're gonna see higher prices. However, I was expecting as well the buy signal move to here, but it did not happen yet. Maybe because still need one more low or one more leg toward the downside and moving this buy signal to here, and of course looking for higher prices. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.